Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 7.3 question number 15. 7.3 question number 15. Integral tan power 3 tan cube 2x tan cube 2x into secant 2x dx. Already I told you we cannot have, there is no standard integral formula for tan cube. That I am going to write it in terms of secant, right? Here I am going to adapt substitution. If tan cube, sine cube, cos cube and all comes, there is no standard integral. We can adapt substitution or you can replace by using trigonometry identities. Now I am going to adapt substitution here, right? See here, t is equal to, let t is equal to secant 2x. What is the differentiation of secant 2x? Secant 2x is nothing but secant 2x into tan 2x. Here coefficient of x is 2. So that should be differentiated in terms of multiplication into dx. Got it, children? Now, this one you should consider as I. Right? Now, I equal to, sorry children, I equal to integral tan cube x is there, right? How I'm going to write, you see, tan cube x, how I'm going to write? Tan cube x, tan cube 2x into, which implies dx equal to dt divided by 2 into secant 2x into tan 2x. Got it? We need only dx. dx I wrote it in terms of dt, right? dt divided by 2 into secant 2x into tan 2x. But in the integral we have tan cube 2x into secant 2x. Got it? Into secant 2x dx. dx I replace like this. Secant 2x cancel. Tan 2x, tan cube can be written as tan square. Now, integral tan square 2x into dt. See here the integration part in terms of t, but the function it is in the form of x. That you are going to replace in terms of t. Then only you can integrate. Right? Integral 1 plus, what it is, tan square 2x can be written as secant square 2x minus 1, right? Secant square 2x minus 1 into dt. 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square x. This is the trigonometry identity. Now secant square 2x, that is secant 2x we consider as t. So that should be replaced by t square minus 1 into dt. Now you are going to integrate. T cube divided by 3 minus t plus c. Here what you applied, integral x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Got it? Whatever it is, the final result should be in terms of x I said, right? I equal to t can be replaced by secant cube 2x divided by 3 minus secant 2x plus c. Got it? Now you understood, children, how you are arriving. One more thing it is there, 1 by 2, that I didn't write it here, right? See, sorry children, 1 by 2 is there, dt by 2, that you should include here. dt by 2, sorry, dt by 2. So it becomes 1 by 2. Now your result becomes 6, that is 1 by 2 into, now I equal to secant cube 2x divided by 6 minus secant 2x divided by 2 plus c. Got it? Now I'm going to do question number 17. Right? Question number 17. Question number 17. What it is? Integral sin cube x plus cos cube x. Sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Now, I am going to split the integral. I am going to split the integral. How I am going to split? You see, I equal to separate, right? Sin cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x, right? Into dx plus integral cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Cos square, so it becomes 1 here. Sin square, it becomes 1. Now what you have at present? Sin by cos square. Sin by cos square. Integral sin x divided by cos x into cos x. For my convenience, I wrote cos square in terms of cos x into cos x plus integral cos x divided by sin x into sin x dx. Got it? Now, sin x divided by cos x can be written as tan x, right? Which is equal to integral tan x. Then 1 by cos x can be written as secant x dx plus integral cos x by sin x can be written as cot x. 1 by sin can be written as cosecant x dx. Now, integral tan x secant x dx. What is the formula for integral tan x secant x dx? Secant x. What is the integral for cot x cosecant x? Minus cosecant x plus c. Got it, children? You have to be thorough with in your formula, then only you can integrate easily. I equal to secant x minus cosecant x plus c. Now I am going to explain the question number 15. Again, you have to listen carefully, children. Question number 15. See here. Tan cube 2x secant 2x dx. There is no standard integral for tan cube. That should be replaced in terms of secant only we can integrate. Here I am adopting the substitution method. That is t is equal to secant 2x When I differentiate dt equal to secant 2x into tan 2x, then coefficient of 2x is differentiated in terms of 2 dx. dx equal to dt divided by 2 into secant 2x into tan 2x. That I am going to substitute in the integral part. Now you see tan cube 2x into dt by 2 into secant 2x tan 2x into secant 2x. Then secant 2x cancel, tan 2x, 1 tan 2x has cancelled. Then you arrive tan square 2x into dt by 2. Tan square 2x, but the integrand is dt, function is x. That you are going to replace in terms of t, then only you can integrate. So tan square can be written as secant square 2x minus 1. Then dt by 2. Secant 2x we consider as t. Here secant square, so t square minus 1. When you integrate, you get it as t cube by 3 minus t plus c. Then t can be replaced by secant 2x. That's why secant cube 2x divided by 3 minus secant 2x. Finally, secant cube 2x divided by 6 minus secant 2x divided by 2 plus c. What is children? Tomorrow I will continue. You have to go through the things. You have to be thorough with your formula. Then only it is easy to integrate the given function. Got it, children? Thank you.